Garvey's second wife, Jaques, was born on December 31, 1896, in Jamaica. She relocated to the United States in 1917 and served as Ashwood's replacement as Secretary of the Universal Negro Improvement Association. She also worked as well as Secretary of the Negro Factories Corporation, according to PBS. In 1922, the couple wed. Immediately after, they were met with a major obstacle after Garvey was charged, convicted, and imprisoned for mail fraud. During this time, Jaques stepped up to provide crisis management in order to improve the manner in which Garvey was perceived by the public. She raised money for his defense by publishing 2 volumes of his speeches and teachings and traveled the country speaking at UNIA meetings on his behalf. Jaques served as the associate editor of the Negro World between 1924 and 1927. During her tenure, she introduced a column titled Our Women and What They Think, through which she profiled black women leaders. Following Garvey's deportation, the couple welcomed 2 sons, one in 1930 and another in 1933. After Garvey's death in 1940, Jaques continued her work as a writer. She became the editor of the journal, Africa. She also published Garvey and Garveyism in 1963.